On an alternate Earth in 1964, the world is celebrating the 4th anniversary of the superhero team known as the Fantastic Four: Reed Richards, Sue Storm, Ben Grimm, and Johnny Storm. They gained their superhuman abilities after exposure to cosmic rays during a space mission. Since then, the team have become celebrities and fought many supervillains. Reed's inventions have progressed global technology, and Sue's diplomacy through the Future Foundation has led to demilitarization and peace for much of the world. When Reed and Sue reveal they are expecting a child, the world eagerly anticipates the new arrival and questions whether the child will also possess superpowers. Months later, the Silver Surfer comes to Earth and declares that the planet has been marked for destruction by Galactus, a planet-devouring cosmic being. Reed studies the sudden disappearance of other planets and verifies this terrifying claim. The team decides to return to space to stop Galactus from reaching Earth. They track the Silver Surfer's powerful energy signature and use faster-than-light travel to arrive at a new planet just as it is utterly destroyed by Galactus's massive ship. The team is captured and brought to Galactus. He reveals that he has an insatiable hunger that has driven him to consume planets for billions of years. Galactus senses that Reed and Sue's unborn child possesses immense cosmic power that could actually absorb his hunger, thereby freeing himself from this affliction. He offers a cruel deal to spare Earth in exchange for the child, and then tragically forces Sue to go into premature labor. Using the intense gravity from a neutron star, which destroys their faster-than-light system, the team delays the chasing Silver Surfer and propels themselves back to Earth. On the way, Sue successfully gives birth to a boy, whom they name Franklin. On their return to Earth a month later, Reed reveals the details of their dangerous encounter during a press conference. Their decision to save one child over the billions of other people on Earth leads to a massive public outcry, with many now calling for Franklin to be sacrificed to Galactus. Sue takes Franklin to meet with protesters and explains that they will not sacrifice their child, but they will also never give up on the rest of humanity. Using a new teleportation system he has been working on, Reed devises a plan to build large teleportation bridges across Earth so they can transport the entire planet to another solar system, a location where Galactus cannot reach them. Through the Future Foundation, Sue successfully organizes the world's nations to build the bridges and conserve the enormous energy needed to activate them. As the bridges are being activated, the Silver Surfer returns and begins furiously destroying them. Johnny stops her from destroying the last bridge in Times Square and reveals what he learned from the intercepted transmissions. The Silver Surfer's true name is Shalabal, and she became Galactus's herald to spare her own world. Using Franklin as a deliberate bait, the team plans to lure Galactus to the last bridge and teleport him away. Galactus makes his way through the city and avoids the trap, capturing Franklin instead. Sue uses all of her power to push him toward the portal with an incredibly strong force field. While Reed quickly rescues Franklin, Shalabal intervenes, pushing Galactus into the portal herself, and it dramatically closes behind them. Sue sadly dies from the enormous effort, but is miraculously revived by Franklin's unique power. The team later goes on a new mission as the world celebrates their 5th anniversary. In a mid-credits scene set 4 years later, Franklin is seen interacting with a man in a green cloak who was holding a metal mask, presumably Victor Von Doom, also known as Dr. Doom.